Hey guys, it's Emma here. Welcome to the second Loona week. I hope you're as excited as I am, because I'm very excited because I get to start off this week by reacting to my bias Jinsoul singing in the rain. Thank you all for giving me so much information about Loona in the last Loona week, and thank you so much for supporting it. I really do love Loona and I'm so happy to be getting into them and learning more about them. A lot of you do want me to do reactions to the Loona TVs as well. I will have to do them at some point if you really do want that. I'll try and do a little poll. I don't know which side it will be up. It'll probably be this side, to be honest. But yeah, I'll try and do one of them and you guys tell me whether you want me to react to them or not, because there are a lot. So like I would have to record, I guess, a couple Loona TVs in a single video and do it that way. Yeah. Anyway, back to Jinsoul, who this video is about, so please do tell me all about her in the comments below. She is my bias. I saw her in Loona이달의 Circle Girlfriend, so yeah, I'm really excited to get into it. Her colour is blue, her animal is a fish, and Singing in the Rain is her song. So here we go. Oh, hey boy. Whoa! Oh! Oh no! She's so gorgeous! She's wearing like all these chains and whips. It excites me. Oh! Hey, chorus, come on. Hey, booty, okay. Ooh! Oh. Oh, wow, look at her. Woo! Me. Oh, hit me with that pole. No! Oh! Look at her, look up. Oh, she's hot. I just did a big swallow. Wow. Oh, fish. Fish is her animal. She is fish. Wow. The hair suits her so much. Oh my god. How can someone be so gorgeous? How can someone be so perfect? Hey! Whoa! Okay. Whack in. Wow. Look at her figure. Oh, that was nice. Her voice. Oh, that again. Oh, look at her lips. Wow. Got me singing in the rain. Oh. Yes. Hey. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. So she is that fish. Oh. I'm blue as well, but oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. This is why she's biased. This is why. Oh. Ah. Oh. Mmm. bring that up slow. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is why she's biased. This is why. This is why. Everything about her, everything. Her voice, her visuals slay me. She looks like, you know, in I am VU. You know, in that game, and you know how people have like the doll faces that they use. She has like a doll face. She's so gorgeous. That is another dance that I need to learn. And I can see a lot of you were telling me that people kind of didn't pay as much attention to LOONA when it was just LOONA 1/3. Thank you for telling me that it's called 1/3. No one told me beforehand, okay? I did tell you, I was asking, no one told me, okay? It's not my fault. Anyway, people were saying that they didn't really pay as much attention to them because they were kind of over the cutesy, innocent, sweet vibe that they were giving. And so when Kim Lip and Jinsoul came out, everyone was kind of like, whoa, so this is what LOONA could bring to the table, this is what they could be about. However, in like my opinion, obviously as much as I love these guys, and I know that I'm gonna love the others that come out because it only gets better, doesn't it? Oh, I really do love LOONA 1/3. I love all the members in that. I think that all their voices together. You still know Hustle is being that bias wrecker. Vivi is being that bias wrecker. Hyojin is being that bias wrecker. And I know the others are gonna... Once I watch LOONA TV, I'm gonna fall in love with them, aren't I? Everyone's sitting there like, yep, that already happened for me and I've already sorted myself out, so sucks to be you, Emlo. Ha. Oh, and speaking of LOONA 1/3, I'm reacting to their song next, which is LOONA Rain 51 dB, or like Rain 51 dB. That's decibel, isn't it? Yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Look forward to the rest of the week. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!